Okay, vlog ka naman. Kaya pila ganit ni? 25. This one is? 20. This is way much better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll get to 50. Thank you. We didn't get coffee. We just got buko juice.
Even better.
Yeah, even better.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Not banana.
Chunks.
Chunks? They're good? Not
They're
me?
chunks. What about you? Let's check. What's here?
So sweet.
Real sweet?
Oh yeah. That's good.
You like sweet though. We didn't get coffee. We just got this one. Worth 25 pesos. This is a bigger one. He likes it. He likes milk.
It's like melted ice cream. It's good.
He likes the buko ice cream. He likes the buko juice.
They have banana Q, I think. Or Toron, I can't tell.
You want to eat?
Yeah. Go with buko.
Hi kuya. Pila ni? Banana Q.
15 ang Toron.
This is 15. This is 20.
Toron mo, malamig kayo na. Magkagustuhan yun ito. What is it? Is that just banana?
This is still banana. Kuya is recommending to eat turon. But I think you like banana.
Toron is still hot.
Oh, yeah. Both of them are hot. Kuya is making.
Do you want some Toron?
I'll probably get the banana cube. What do you want, sir?
What is the Toron? He recommends the Toron. Ilan?
Usa ka banana cube ya o isa ka turon.
Plastic pa din
Ayaw na ya. We're gonna eat it. Oh, kuya is giving me a big one. Thank you, kuya. This is very helpful.
There's so much sugar.
Cheers, sir. Thank you, ya.
Oh. Oh yeah, it's very hot. I like it. Love it.
Kuya is laughing at your words like lami. Well, we'll finish our turon and banana Q in a while. See you in a while, guys.
Japanese pancakes.
I got to close my all my coins are in there. There you go. Tulo ka buka mo kay 27. Thank you, te. He's making this one. Japanese cheesecake, sir. We're gonna try that after our banana cube.
Ropes are so short.
Huh? You have to duck. updated. They're open.
Sure.
So weird. Okay.
Yan, ay lag cafe diri ya. Lag cafe.
Lag kape ko no. Oh, wala.
We have to make our own. Very sassy. But there's no one in here. Should we just make our own coffee?
Maybe.
There's like a terminal here in Bantayan. Same with Cebu City, a terminal.
Oh yeah. Well, maybe we find someone who works here and then we'll get some coffee. We'll be back.
We have a botanical garden here.
Behind the barbecue, there's like 20 barbecue places.
You can see the beach in here.
Hey, ice cream.
He's eating ice cream. You want some? You want some ice cream? And then we're out of the botanical garden.
The beach. It's cute. There's the bay walk over there.
But their Baywalk has a lot of like cars in here. Cars and pedicabs.
It's a very cute, like, it's amazing how many like nice little green spaces they have here. I think this is like a bigger city than Santa Fe.
Yeah.
Santa Fe is just like the port.
Yeah. Very small. But I don't think they have like a vessel from Cebu going here. It's just in Santa Fe. That's why most of the people will be like renting places nearby Santa Fe
Yeah.
rather than here in Bantayan or Madridejos. Maybe just like a travel. Maybe we should go over there and just check.
You don't want to find coffee or
There's no coffee right here. It's all food.
barbecue?
Yeah. Even the laag cafe. There's no one in there. The tendera is not available. We're like ayo.
Oh, there's a pile of chickens here. Just hanging out.
It's here. Oh.
There's pooping on each other. Well, the search continues. Perfect.
Perfect. We're at the Baywalk and just sitting for a while because we've been walking a lot this morning. Look at Mr. Right.
So hot.
Look at that.
You should get the water in the boats and stuff.
Even like stairs going to the boat. He's getting water. Clean water. Do you want to taste the pancakes, sir?
Oh yeah. We always get it hot. It's supposed to have cheese inside.
Yeah. I think in America there will be like a little cheese.
Tastes just like a fresh, crispy pancake.
Crispy pancake. Mhm.
It's good. Wow.
It looks like you're deboning it.
For 9 pesos.
Mhm. You should go here at
A
the...
bite. This
Look at
is
this
the
man.
Bantayan City public market. You just walk all through there. There's tons of little vendors. Buko, vegetables, fish, little pancakes. I just happened to see her back behind a stall cooking something.
Mhm. He wants to try it. And it's good. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
For 9 pesos. Comparing to the city's pancakes, like almost 50 plus or more than that.
Oh, I'm sure.
And they just put a cream on top of it. It's still the same, but this is much better.
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna take a bite and eat it with the buko. Mix it.
Mm.
Oh my god. Yeah. You should try it.
Mm.
I'll get you to try it.
Like it melts in your mouth.
I know. It's like eating ice cream with it.
Very nice. Texture is very nice.
We're gonna finish all these desserts. Maybe we'll go find another one. Couldn't find any coffee. Might be open later, but this is a really cool little city, bigger than Santa Fe.
But no foreigners.
No foreigners. People stare at me a lot, but I'm used to that. I've been in the
We're
Philippines.
looking at it so
Yeah.
much.
So what was the driver doing when he drove the truck?
Yeah, like driving with it.
Yeah.
We looked twice at him.
Like that. I'm so surprised. All right, we'll see you later, guys. Bye.
What's your favorite na iya?
Mango grahams.
Ah, it's mango and grahams.
Ooh.
Kaya umutot ang mango. Yung panang
Kuya is giving us a lot.
Come see Kuya at the Bantayan Park across from the dried fish market. How much was it?
10 pesos each.
Ah, that's very nice.
To cool us down.
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah.
Salamat.
To cool us down. It's still so hot.
Good. Mango?
Mango. We have mango.
See
It looks,
chunks?
it looks pink though.
Yeah. Like the way you eat that ice cream.
At last, we got coffee. Don Macchiato, 39ers.
Brown Spanish.
We didn't get other coffee in here, but just Don Macchiatos. Well, I guess we still have coffee. Cheers. We're getting caramel macchiato. We don't have any coffee at the market, so we're just getting here by the park.
Ice caramel, limo.
Someone's buying another coffee. Or they're not.
So good.
So, book now?
Lami.
Lami.
Book now kayo.
He's just learning so much Bisaya. Cheers to that. We'll see you later.